During this session, we'll concentrate on adding and subtracting time using the 24-hour clock. Making calculations such as adding or subtracting time is not as straightforward as normal number calculations. The reason for this is that time is made up of seconds, minutes and hours, which use a base of 60. This means there are 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour. This is different to a base of 100, for example, 100 cents in €1. To add 45 minutes and 45 minutes together, we get 90 minutes. This can be divided by 60 to convert it into hours. 90 divided by 60 equals 1.5. This is an hour and a half. Care must be taken when using decimals, as the temptation is to write 45 minutes as 0.45, which is incorrect. 45 minutes is 3/4 of an hour, so 45 minutes as a decimal is 0.75. Let's look at an example of adding time. You are driving to the airport. The journey takes 2 hours and 40 minutes. If you left the barracks at 9:40, what time do you get to the airport? First, split the start time into hours and minutes. So 9:40 becomes 9 hours and 40 minutes. We already know that the journey takes 2 hours and 40 minutes. Now we need to add the hours together and then the minutes. We do it like this. 9 plus 2 equals 11. So that's 11 hours. And 40 plus 40 is 80 minutes. As our figure of 80 minutes is more than an hour, which contains 60 minutes, we need to turn it into hours and minutes by dividing 80 by 60, because there are 60 minutes within an hour. This gives us 1 hour and 20 minutes. Now we add this 11 to the 11 hours to get our answer. Becomes 11 plus 1 equals 12. Plus the 20 minutes on the end means 12 hours and 20 minutes. We convert this into 24-hour, means we'll arrive at 12:20 hours. Let's look at a slightly harder example. If you arrive at the airport at 14:40 hours and the journey took 3 hours and 50 minutes, what time did you set off? Take 3 hours from the 14:40 and you get 11:40. But you have to take off another 50 minutes. This takes you back past the hour mark by 10 minutes. So you set off at 10 minutes to 11, which is written as 10:50 hours, using the 24-hour clock. It's usually easier to visualize a clock face when going backwards. This session will have helped you to understand carrying out calculations using the 24-hour clock. Now you must complete your workbook to help reinforce what you have learnt. Remember, you can view this clip as many times as you need to.